Want to start using RedNote but need some help creating your account? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a RedNote account and give you some tips to verify your phone number. Now let's get started. To sign up for RedNote, open the RedNote app and tap Login. Tap the phone icon to create an account with your phone number, or on iPhone, you can tap the Apple icon to log in with your Apple ID. On Android, you can sign up with your Facebook or Google account. Keep in mind that to use certain features of RedNote and to customize your profile, you will need to verify your account with a phone number even if you sign up with your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account. If signing up with your phone number, be sure to change the country code to match where you are located. Otherwise, you will not receive the text message to verify your phone number. If you're having trouble doing the initial sign up with your phone number, we'd suggest using the Apple ID, Facebook, or Google option and adding your phone number afterwards. Once you sign in, RedNote will prompt you to choose a few categories of content you'd be interested in. This will help curate your Explore feed on the app. Choose a few things you're interested in and tap Confirm. Then you'll be able to use the RedNote app. To link your phone number to verify your RedNote account, go to the Me tab and tap the Settings icon. Select Account Security. Then tap Mobile. Tap the down arrow and select your country. Then enter your phone number. You'll be sent a text message with a verification code. Enter the code you were sent and tap Link. Once you've verified your phone number, you'll be able to customize your profile, including choosing a unique username ID, adding a profile photo, bio, and other personal information. Tap Save to save your changes to your profile. If you're having trouble receiving the text message to verify your RedNote account, here are a few tips. Make sure you've selected the proper country code. By default, it will be set to +86 for China, but you'll need to set it to your own country to match your phone number in order for the text to go through. Also ensure you haven't made any mistakes in typing your phone number. Try creating your account with your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account to start with, and add your phone number later. This seemed to work better for us, and we got the text message right away. Check that your phone isn't sending the text to spam. On iPhone, if you go into your Messages settings, there's an option labeled Filter Unknown Senders. If this feature is turned on, the text may be filtered into a different inbox. In the Messages app, tap Filters, then tap Unknown Senders, and see if the text ended up there. This is specifically how it works on iPhone, but other smartphones will likely have similar options. Just ensure that the text didn't end up in some kind of spam folder. Another tip we've seen going around is to attempt to comment on someone's post. This will prompt you to enter a phone number to verify your account, and some have said this method resulted in them receiving the text message right away. That's all it takes to create a RedNote account. To learn more about using RedNote, check out our Beginner's Guide video next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.